morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yes, let's see what we do today. The market is looking like pumping up. SPY attempt to push another high again, and this is very interesting. But let's see where the market wants to go today. So we have a bunch of numbers coming out this morning. But before, let's ask Marie, how is she doing? How are you doing, Marie, today?
I am doing well. I believe I slept well. A little bit of frog in the throat, but besides that, I am doing well. And you, Davey?
Nice. Oh, we are doing good. We are doing good, as we can, I guess. So, and happy because it's Friday, kind of. Weird things. I am getting more and more happy every time that it's Friday.
Look at you!
Yeah, so that's it for me. And all good, all nice weather outside, though I know for the rink it's not the best, but hey. It is what it is. So, so I was going to say we have a bunch of numbers coming out this morning. We have building permit preliminary, building permit. I don't know why it's twice, but we have it's twice in the list. Housing starts. Okay, so that might be some numbers that were delayed. We have exactly. So we have building permits preliminary for September and October. We have housing starts the same September and October. Non-farm payroll December. Unemployment rate, average hour earnings month to month. Average hour earnings year to year. Building permits month preliminary September, the same October. So we have a bunch of numbers that just came out at 8:30 this morning. So we can go through them little by little, but it's gonna be a lot. So let's see. So and then we have participation rate, average weekly hours, government payroll. The government payroll, the preliminary was 6K. The actual is 13K. So let's see. Michigan consumer sentiment preliminary. That's a thing.
Okay.
That's it. We have nothing from 8:30. Those numbers came out at 8:30, and the market reacted quite well at that. It's just sinking again, but it did like it apparently. So I'm gonna get some shares of Nvidia, just a little shares here. Let's start doing something. So it's a little amount of shares. If it pop up, I will get more. So, but I think I want to go short today. So let's wait for that. So. I missed my entry this morning and it was way higher. But whatever. We can talk about that trade later. It's at a very technical price right now, so I can still hold it. And if I decide to add, I can for sure add. So, So anything that you are looking at, Marie, from the Good to Go?
Well, right now, what I was just looking at was actually SPY.
SPY, okay.
Yes. So, funny enough, when we're looking at the market right now, when you are filtering through the I volumes, we've got open, the Qs, CSX,
The snap.
Oklo. No, not when we're looking for the volumes only.
Oh, yeah.
Oklo and then Nvidia, which is quite surprising that we have so many tickets above Nvidia when we're talking volume. Mm-hmm. So that's a little bit odd. Just wanted to point that one out. And then when we're looking at volume, at the relative volume, we've got VST. That's number one. And what a trend that is. When we're looking at today, it actually pumped up almost $30. So a pretty incredible pump here. Mm-hmm. Not sure what VST is. Then you've got PPL.
It's called Vistra Corp. Vistra Corporation.
Vista?
No, Vistra. Vistra Corporation.
Okay.
So I don't know what they do exactly, but we can
Not
take a
me
look at
as
it.
well. But number one in our vol by a ton.
By far, yeah.
And then you've got PPL. You've got CSX. And again, Oklo.
PPL.
So I'm going to be looking
PPL
at...
is barcoding a lot. It's just a little volume manifestation there, but yeah. And we got our guy here. What's up, Zach? How are you doing today? Tomorrow.
So as well, I just want to add some news. We've got all the leaders in the oil corporation going to the White House this afternoon for 2:30, coming together to discuss Venezuela oil.
Venezuela
Because
oil.
we know the oil is dirty, so there's going to need to be a lot of treatment of the oil. No, like it's just because it's not refined and they don't have the refinery on Venezuela. So they call it that. So obviously they will have to refine it. What?
It's good. It's good. Just keep talking. Just my head cannot stop about that one. But yeah. So they need to divide the cake, and they have to find
Well,
out
no.
who's gonna cut the cake.
Well, it's
Keep
not
talking.
dividing the cake, it's actually treating the oil. Because it's crude, right? So it's not, and they can't do it there, but who's going to do it? So they have to discuss about all of that. So they're coming together today to actually do that. I'm not sure what I said there, but
Oh, it's good. It's good.
I'm surely I said something wrong. So if I
No,
did,
you
I
didn't.
do
You didn't say. No, you didn't say anything wrong. No. I don't want you to misinterpret it. It's just like it's irrelevant right now. So don't lose too much time on that. So but it's my perspective of how I look at the oil situation. Like, of course, the political situation have nothing to do with what I'm saying about the oil situation. It's
So me, it was
say
more for the
resource.
market that we would be right now. Oil has been losing a lot, so it could be pumping up today because of all of this. So that's what my comment came from. So
Okay. No, good. Sorry for my
Oh, no.
overreaction there. If you were interpreting anything wrong. So Zach, how are you doing, my guy? Are you there actually?
hola, Zach.
Yeah, he's sleepy yet. He was so quiet I didn't hear him.
You hear me now?
I hear you now, but you were silent for like 5 minutes. Oh.
Yeah, let Marie talk.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Not like somebody here. Yeah.
We got the consumer index, Michigan consumer.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a prelim. I guess it's preliminary, something like that.
Preliminary. Yeah. It's preliminary.
But it's could be important at 10.
Yeah.
And
Lower the
we
volume.
got University of Michigan 5-year inflation and 1-year inflation prelim.
Okay, yeah, like I look at most of those numbers that were pending for September, they were coming out today as well. So we got double numbers today.
Unemployment rate
Yeah.
0.1 lower than expected.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
It's still high. It's still 4.4.
Hmm?
4.4 or 4.3 if I'm not mistaken there.
Okay.
And we got at 10, we got Supreme Court opinion on tariff. They're trying to ban the use of tariff.
Of tariff?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Supreme Court decision is going to come out?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I mean, I don't know if I don't know.
I don't know if you'll listen.
It say I don't know why, but it say in parentheses, it say tentative.
Okay.
So
I took a little short on Nvidia here, and I'm wanting Nvidia to pop up to 86. It's just if it doesn't go to 186, I don't want to miss the trade. But at 186, I can double or something like that because that 186, I'm expecting to act as a level of resistance today. Especially if SPY is gonna give away all the moves that, like you see, like this is 830 here, like right here, 830. So in all those numbers that came out, the market react very well, and like it went all the way to 692, almost 692.50. So then it just gave away everything. So at that time, there is not much liquidity, so it's easy to have this type of move. This could be some institutions or who knows from where that volume came in. But yeah, definitely not holding good that volume during the pre-market. So there might be some contradiction there for the direction right now. But we're gonna have to wait for the open. We have 4 minutes for the open. So Marie, is there anything that you're looking at specifically for the open?
I might be looking at Oklo at 113, but
Longer?
It's 120 short, worth 113 long. So
Okay, I'm gonna drop off a couple lines here, like 113 long or 120 short.
yeah,
Man, those are like $7
Yep.
spread.
that's all close.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I know.
Next week, guys, we have a lot of data coming up. Like
Okay.
on Tuesday, we got CPI, like all the CPI.
Mm-hmm.
Then on Wednesday, we got the PPI. So next week is gonna be.
Interesting, yeah.
So how's the relative volume for SPY?
Like, unfortunately, we cannot see the relative volume before the open. So right now, we can have like a gauge for that. Right now it's 300, but like at the open, it will adjust because it start counting from the open. So, but yeah, like as you ask right now, I just gonna know that now it's 300. So I want to see what 300 get translated to when the market just open.
Mm-hmm.
So because yeah, it's not a real number like 300, but it adjusts very close to the reality when you open.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'm looking Nvidia short today again, and we still have Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla that are trading under the water. So there we go. Like we were right on that trade right now. So, but like we won't celebrate. We're gonna have to let it go and see what that trade wants to do. So I probably will be taking some Microsoft today because it was the one that was popping up quite decent yesterday.
Okay.
So maybe have the power to do that again today. But like yeah, right now it's just tanking. So Zach, you have any trade for the open or not? We have 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Just using my level and no trade for the open, but
Okay. So I'm gonna take a quick look at SPY. And let's see what we can do from there. SPY, right? Yeah, so man, PPL have really high volume now. I remember the guy Mark that came to the chat long ago, and he was wanting us to look at PPL, but it's trading at around the same price. It's like 31, something like that, 30. So yeah, let's see. So for the open, we're gonna have hands on the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
So this NVDA can do anything.
And
so
we
you
had
didn't hold overnight.
No, I didn't hold overnight.
Let's
That's
go.
I took it just right now, and I have the order to add if it move against me. But it doesn't move against me right now. It's just dropping like a rock. Yeah, I have to stop holding overnight for now because as we are in bearish territory, I don't feel too comfortable holding overnight.
And we'll see.
So we're gonna trade a little bit different today. I was talking with Zach about that yesterday. I'm gonna try to manifest a little bit different. So there we go. Beta is dropping. So and that's a decent trade right now. So go for it. Okay. So we're gonna take a little partial right there.
Me too.
Which trade do you have, Mary?
Mary have Oklo,
Really.
Oklo long,
I
open
took
short.
a double.
Nice. Jala, jala. Go higher. I can add more yet, you know. So let's see if Nvidia wants to go higher or not. It doesn't
I
look
have
like
the long on my level again.
Nice. All right, so let's see if I can really scalp this one out as much as I can.
That was a good one.
It's only 3 minutes, so we have to be patient here. You partial again, Marie?
No, I'm out. It got me out. I broke even. I'm glad with that. So now I've got my short on open. I'm going to be looking at the tape.
Okay. I'm adding to this bad boy little by little. Wait to see if he wants to go to the VWAP or not. Okay, I put the order at the VWAP so I don't have to look at it. So if you get to the VWAP, I'm gonna add another little more.
Okay.
So it's not getting there, but like I am averaging as much as I can. But I don't want to get bad prices, so that's why I drop off the order instead of jumping on right now.
Mm-hmm.
So
Great job. So we've got a dropping RSI when we're looking at SPY.
SPY, okay, yeah.
We seem to have a little bit of a curl on the RSI. Come on, pop one more time so I can add. So Zach, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Waiting.
Yeah,
I see SPY like maybe going down a little.
yeah, okay, there we go. Okay, let's see what are you made of.
What you doing?
I'm not shorting Nvidia yet. Might be wrong.
try to go through my level. There's another level there.
Nvidia tried the VWAP quite early today, so probably I need to flip my head around that one. But let's wait for it.
Short on SPY. With half an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, I because we put the lines together. Like I have the line that you have on Spider. It's at I have at 691.53. Marie is trading open.
Into
What that wick? Did you see the wick on?
Yeah.
Yeah, we still don't have any.
Castic just went curve down. Let's see.
Okay, I got out of Nvidia. Next target it will be let's take a look at a level. Yeah, I got shaken out probably. I should be short right there. Tighter stop loss because it doesn't make sense to have it wider, so and there we go. That might be the high of Nvidia, so for the day.
Yeah. So 7. Oh yeah, that'd be good. That's a good risk to reward.
Nice curling on that VWAP. Oh my God, Kukel. Look at Google.
Do you still have a trade?
Yes, I have it yet.
Yeah.
Like,
Good job. Good job. Ringworm.
Your fault.
Hmm?
Your fault.
It's a good one to have a ringworm on. So we've got a lot of
You see, Zach, for Nvidia there, I might be wrong yet, but like I have a level, and the level is exactly at the 200 moving average. So it's like that should work for the short. And it can still, like, it should be moving like 20 cents against me, but like ideally, but it doesn't look like if it wants to. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait.
Yeah, I have an order to short at the right price. Okay. And then an order to go long at the level from yesterday. Lower. Let's see.
Okay. Maybe it still has open, right?
Yup.
Probably Nvidia is not my best trade today, but like I would like to take something else, so I'm gonna look around. So what?
Intel seems to be a stock that,
It's popping.
well, that's moving because everybody and their mother seems to be having Intel this morning.
C'est la vie, man. C'est la vie.
Day for 5, the first 5.
It's good.
Eh?
It's all good.
It's all good?
Yeah, my hands get drier when it's winter.
It does. Me
So
too.
it's like
Me too a lot.
to remember to take care of it.
I know, right? Because it really gets.
Especially when you come from a country that does not need it.
You what?
Especially when you come from a country that does not need it.
That's true, eh? Never?
Never.
Never dry?
No.
Oh, you're an island, right?
Like there might be people that had them dry eventually, but like
Okay.
For other reason, no, not because of weather.
I love that.
You will see. I told you like we are like just landing on the plane. And my like because I told you I used to go with a little tower because I was sweating a lot. So but like you just landing on the plane and you say like what the heck is this? You know, it's like
Your hands get
are
wet.
Yeah, it's like,
I love it.
and like I don't know if you guys ever have that, but like when you sweat a lot, like even handshakes, you have a tendency to not want to handshake anybody because like, oh, my hands are a little bit,
Humid.
yeah.
Do you
Hmm.
like this end? Yeah. It was funny because that was somebody that we had when I was working, we had a coworker that needed to shake hands a lot because of his position,
Yeah.
and he would always slap himself. And we asked that. We said, like, why do you do that? Because it's so dry here. There's no. He says it's just a habit of where I come from, and
Yeah,
he came
yeah.
from the Caribbean.
Like sometimes you're gonna say bye to
He would
a
slap
friend,
himself.
and you're like, well, there we go.
Exactly. He would smack. So it wasn't a rub, but he would like smack himself with a momentum. That, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, so when we're looking at the sector map, that just populated. So
Very
we've-
green, actually.
Well, yeah, we've got green, very green, with a couple of laggers. So we've got Microsoft, Oracle,
You don't have any-
PLTR, Amazon.
Yeah, it's good. I was going to ask if you don't have any pilseners.
Any what?
Pilseners, like lagers, like
Pilsners?
yeah, like
Yeah, the lagers are Microsoft and NVIDIA. We're
Guy is not funny.
Oracle, PLTR, NVIDIA, Amazon, and Tesla. We've got Netflix, surprisingly enough.
My guy trying to do my job.
Pilsner.
you know, I have to ask. It's Friday, probably. That's why.
I think so, right? The energy of the Friday.
Oh yeah. So I'm glad I went short on Nvidia. Let me see if I have the other station on my levels here.
Okay. Wow, spy, eh?
We gonna hope. Ay, ay, ay.
Uh-oh.
For everybody, it was just Marie has a fantastic idea of arriving with that song in her head. So
We're having movie night tonight. I'm having movie night. Movie night with your girls and Blurry. And it's going to be that. I'm so excited.
like I have watched Demon Hunter like 100 times already. So
Never watched it.
I'm gonna go to your place to watch the hockey game. I'm gonna stay here. to
Oh,
watch.
believe me, there is going to be one for sure. That's a good idea, actually.
Yeah, but they watched the wrong team at TV, so don't go there.
They wa-
Hey, no, they do.
They watch Senators,
Yeah.
Yeah,
and you?
Ontario thing. I'm watching Canadian, man. Like a real Quebecer.
Yeah, okay. You're not allowed to skate at our rink anymore.
He said.
No skating for you.
You know how the senator invested in some rinks outside the
Yes.
rink here?
Mhm.
Imagine if you don't watch the senators, you cannot skate.
Oh, that'd be sweet, eh? No, they're investing a lot in Quebec, which, well, in the Outaouais region. And yeah, I find that pretty cool because the previous owner didn't do nothing about it.
I would love, like, maybe I would love them if when they have their arena, like, really close on the other side of the.
Oh, let's hope that's coming.
Supposed to be they bought the land.
Mm-hmm. But we have a lot, though. I think the new mayor, as well as our new prime minister, seems to be cutting the red tape. But there's a lot of red tape. Yeah, because that'd be cool to just take public transit and go see a hockey game.
NHL gamer.
Yeah, that'd be wonderful.
But it will never be like Bell Center. There it's crazy.
Yeah, there it's pretty cool. Like the public transit in Montreal is amazing. It just drops you right underneath, and hopefully in Ottawa it'll be the same.
Like you finish the game and they win, everybody in the metro is like, go Habs, go Habs, go everywhere.
Where to the point that you're afraid that just the vibration of,
I
the
know.
people will just derail something. Like there are, yeah, it's a tough. It's really it's a tough environment, the NHL in Montreal, for players or for.
For players, yeah.
Yeah. Look at what happened to Kerry. Okay.
But right now the Canadians are in a rampage.
A what?
They won 9 out of their 10 games. And half of them was on the road too. Like,
That's a rare event for them?
yeah, they're first in the division now. So they're doing good. Doing good.
Yeah,
Smells
we
like
won.
the cup.
Oh, hey, calmate. Whoa, there. He's looking for the cup. Whoa, la. Whoa. No, we lost our. I'm not sure what's happening with our goaler, but.
Hallmark? Was it Hallmark?
Yeah, Hallmark. He's gone on sick leave. So we've lost the last game. Was it what? 8-2 or something? Massacre. Complete massacre. One day we'll grow up as a team and we'll have a goaler.
In the future, I think Senators and Canadians are gonna be like rivalry.
It's not
'Cause
happening
they're
now.
gonna be, yeah, but now they're bottom, like they were bottom teams.
Oh,
As they
okay,
get
okay.
better.
Rival as tops. Okay. Now I know what you mean.
Like I think as they're gonna get, both of them, they're gonna get better. Like it's gonna be in the series versus each other and everything.
That'd be cool.
So, Zach, I put an order to buy the futures at 6,964.50.
66. That's my level 66. So.
Okay.
Baby, choppy.
Chop. Yeah, like it looks like more downside, but like I don't want to be too focused into that. Like I actually had the red cup on my hands this morning, and I said I don't wanna use the red cup, like because I think it's gonna be red.
Oh,
But yeah,
so the red cup indicates red?
it doesn't indicate red, but like at some point I was looking at it that way. So
Okay.
That's why I say let me not take this one anymore, and like to not get biased. Not that biased me a lot, but like, you know.
Yeah.
Program.
Turn around. So Marie, what trade do you have? You don't have no
Nothing,
trade, no?
nothing.
Yeah, the week that SPY is doing, like the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Like if you see like my order is so far on SPY, because what it is right now, my thing is saying like, well, don't take any trade there because I have no way to know where it's gonna
I
go.
tell you guys the news.
Oh yeah, it's true. 9:50. I think yeah.
The most important one is Supreme Court opinion, Ontario
Okay. Thank
and
you.
Michigan, both of them.
Very aware, my guy. Very aware. Yeah, and I'm breaking even on this trade already. So I have Nvidia short. I have a very good price, probably the best price I could ever get right now. But like, and yeah, I decided to break even because I don't like good prices to be offered many times. So
Okay.
I will.
So what could be a bad news for a decision on tariff? That they don't accept tariff? You know, oh,
Bad news
Mhm,
is tariff stays.
because they're having tariff all the time. It's just like the way that they were implemented this time. So that was the problem here, from what I know.
Yeah, because like you say, David, they've always existed
Yeah, they have always exist. But
as a way to balance, right, the economy and the off balance of export and imports. But this year is just
and TopStep is so good at for the news, showing the
Yeah,
news
that's
and economic
impressive.
events.
hmm
Like I see a counter of 1 minute for the news,
nice.
and
we're
I think
gonna
it's
have that
resetting
too.
my thing.
Yeah.
Pretty good. So I have my two orders on the top and the bottom, at
Mhm.
right prices. So if it touch there, just a week, it will.
Nvidia is doing like that tail fish thing that we always talk about, and let's see what is going to be manifesting first. So like basically,
30 seconds.
and then like this. So let's see what direction it's going to take, but for sure it's compressing.
Yeah, for sure it's waiting for the news. For sure. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there it is.
So it's
Okay,
better
there.
numbers, right?
Uh, it's green number. What? Why is it green? University 5-year inflation. Inflation, they say grew up 0.1%. University 1-year inflation, they stay the same. And then, yeah. And then the Supreme Court opinion on tariff, we don't have it yet.
Okay. Thank you.
But it's green. It's green across the board, like the
numbers.
university consumer sentiment is higher than expected,
Okay.
at 0.5%.
Nice.
No jumping around. Maybe waiting for the court decision.
I'll be back, guys. Just give me a second. I have to check Manuela.
Good job. It's like you read minds.
That was weird.
Incredible, eh?
On the 5 minutes, it's really bad, but the minute it's a candle.
Okay.
She went for the charger. Like to charge it?
So smart.
The US Supreme Court in it.
The U.S. What?
Will not rule Trump tariff case today. Maybe some people can think it's bullish. If you're okay with the tariff, I think it's bullish.
Oh no.
Man, choppy.
Chop, chop around.
So yeah, tonight is the oil executive meet Trump at 2.
I guess now they can even pay with oil.
They can what?
Even pay with oil.
What you mean pay?
Yeah, pay. Like whichever country they are consuming from, like China. No,
Can they?
I don't know.
I don't know. It should be interesting.
Again, I guess the spy's very wiki for now. But then you guys see like the last 2 days that it was wiki like that.
It just went.
Yeah, like then it just becoming a very clean chart. Like, but to which direction is what we don't know yet. So that's I'm favoring shorts because like the equity and trading looks like a short, but I'm a bit skeptical.
Yeah, me too. But right now it's re-entering the range. Did it make a lower low? I think it's going to do it there.
No, it's gonna make it.
Oh no. It's like 90-40.
Okay.
And
Oh, it did.
Yeah, the futures might get me. Though I don't know if it's gonna hold or not.
It's almost.
Yep.
Get it.
There we go. That's a lower low.
Almost getting my entry, so
Okay.
well, it's a bit of a falling knife, so
I had a long time without listening to that term.
Yeah, you use it a lot, David. Let's go.
don't move the other way before getting me, my guy.
What are you looking for? Long, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So what's your number for long?
690.05. Yeah, I'm in.
I should be in too. Oh yeah, I'm in. Instantly making 2R. That's weird, but again,
You're in?
yeah.
Hold that bad boy.
Are you able to survive the PCL?
Me? Me no.
There, too far.
So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove a third, and actually no, I will protect 1R, and then let it see whatever it wants to do. No, he got me out. I have to get used to this. Wait, okay, so
Nope.
yeah, he got me out. I bought it back, but
Doesn't look good, but that's it.
I made there 600 something. So yeah, 600. Wait for what is this thing?
The level got broken too easily, so that I don't like it. Yeah, I'm out.
Man, this thing is killing me.
That level might be a better price. Maybe.
Okay, how do you partial in that thing?
But
In trading view?
just buy the quantity that you
I have to put it
come
manually.
long again. You just buy back the quantity.
Okay, what I want to do, I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell.
So,
There we go.
I'm long. Maybe I got a good price now. Almost from the bottom bar, so that's pretty good.
Right, so I'm gonna keep partially on that one. I don't want to do this in this thing, but like,
Let's go up. To be what?
because of what he did yesterday.
Okay.
It's the right
Yeah,
thing.
I hope it won't have trouble on my level there. Like it broke down from my level, but it's having trouble upside. The level from yesterday that I married. So. Break that level. Yes. Break it. Yes. No. Let's go slide. Let's go Spike and do it. That's my boy. Get to VWAP. Get to VWAP.
Oh, yeah.
Like I really acted fast, and that's why I didn't hesitate. That's what I do sometimes that I miss the trade. So. It broke my level, but I went back in the other level right away.
Okay.
Let's go. Partial.
Nice.
Partial.
What has been?
Wow. Amazing market bounce.
Yeah. Amazing.
Great job, Zach.
Thank you. That's what I do. They call me the dog.
You don't need the dog?
They call me the dog.
The dog. Oh,
Dog.
perro. Okay. You're the dog.
I said that one time to my dad, and he said it's because of your the smell of your mouth.
Oh! Oh, that's wicked.
Nice dad, I got.
Ooh.
You see where the humor came from?
Yeah, from the tree, eh? You didn't fall far from the tree.
Instead of getting diluted, they get concentrated.
I like it. It's true. Right? Zach doubles down.
Yeah.
Imagine it makes a new higher high.
Oy, oy.
I'm like I have half of the position right now. Let's practice patience. Do you know what is my entry?
What is your entry?
It's 689.32.
Wow. Just 50 cents from the entry, from the bottom.
Yeah. And the bottom helped me to put my stop loss through.
Yeah, what is off on this? Like when you send an order for TradingView, it execute the order in the live price, but your chart is
Yeah.
delayed.
Yeah.
It's what?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's because if it was the delay price, you would know what would happen. That's why you cannot trade with delay. It's almost impossible.
So in that case, I only have to look at my live data.
What is
But
it?
like, what you can do is just pay the low $3.
Yeah.
You know, like
It's nine. It's not $3. For me, it's nine.
It's $9?
okay.
But yeah, if you send an order, the order is reading the real data, like the live data.
Mm-hmm.
But in the chart, you cannot see live data. In the chart, you are seeing
Delayed.
delayed data. So I am
So
putting
you're-
my order in the chart, but it's getting executed in the live.
So if you want to get in to go long, the price can already be
Yeah.
way higher.
Yeah, it's.
Ah!
I'm gonna just pay for that. Thank you, Zach, for your recommendation.
To
if
pay
you-
for what? To pay
Yeah,
to
to
make
pay
sure.
for and like that I have live data. It's just
CME live data. It's called.
yeah, I see, but like
I'm gonna check how much I pay and which one is it. It's CME Group, E-mini included, and it's yeah, 8 USD.
so now it's more than 9 Canadian. When I used to pay, it was 9 Canadian or 9 USD. I don't remember, something like that. I know it was 9,
And now it's
8.
But that's for CME. It's not for the thing.
Yeah, I was paying for Nasdaq
Yeah.
because at that time I had the CME already paid for. Like I paid for the whole year. Like you remember, that was the package that I got for Black Friday. That then I couldn't get it again. You remember? The first time.
Mhm.
Like yeah, in there
Yeah,
I
but
had
you don't have the
CME.
data in those.
I had live data for the rest of the team minus Nasdaq.
Okay.
Because Maria and I were using an indicator that is called Squeeze Pro, is it called? I don't remember. And like we wanted to see all of them at the same time, but like Nasdaq was not there.
yeah, that was squeeze.
Squeeze Pro. Good indicator actually.
Yeah, to see how the price is compressing.
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah. It looks like a RSI.
Mm.
I
Is the
remember.
one that Pierre was programming and like making adjustment, like you too? You remember?
Mhm. Let's go 5. I'm being patient because I really want to take another, but
At least on
So-
Nvidia, the computers are it's computer that is trading Nvidia right now. Like
Nvidia is short.
yeah, it's a very symmetrical price action here. So when SPY is making a higher high, so this is just weird. But like, okay, we're gonna keep it.
But now that trade is almost a 5-hour trade. If I take everything there,
Mm-hmm.
if we go to all-time high, not all-time high, but day high, would be like a 6-hour trade. Pretty good.
Look at you. There we go.
Maybe it's gonna go down, so I'm gonna take another.
I took a short there on the indexes. Let's
Yeah,
see how,
look
how
short.
brave it is.
Look short. I have my stop loss under VWAP.
Man, those 10 contracts multiply the price like right away.
What?
Like with the 10 contracts, like when you get the money is like right there, like you know,
You have mini or micro?
the micro,
Okay.
micro e-mini.
Micro E. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trading sometimes.
I got out.
Because you were going short.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I will resort to the game probably. So
Oh, nice spy. Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
Yeah. I do have more partial to take. Should I take it all there? You think it will go higher, or I take it all?
I'm not the right guy to give you.
I took it all. I took it all because it touched my level and bounced right away. So it looks short from there, in my opinion.
Seems like 693 could be possible.
Range at 692.50, and it just all like really close to wicked it.
Okay.
And he reacted. Plus the stochastic is curling down, even though it went up.
Okay.
So I took another short in there, assuming that it won't be able to make a higher high.
So like,
Yeah.
I could take a short too.
If you make a higher high, I'm gonna be out for sure.
What a good day again.
I love it.
Imagine what we're gonna have to do with him when he hit $1 million.
We're so up a creek, man. We're so up a creek. We'll have to put a mute button on him.
I'm telling you, how much I talk, it depends on my piano. You see, I was quiet. You know what I could have done? Like, I had an order to go long in the bottom, where I went long, and an order to go short where it is right now, at my level. What I could have done is just go long, and not taking any partial, and because my order to go short is there, it's
Okay.
also an order to go out. I think I'll go a small amount short.
I took a partial right there, and I'm wanting to add more. So I will put a limit at the same price I got it. And yeah, let's see. I got it at 6987.25.
Okay, 693 on the Y.
I got it right away. So
I got the short too. Let's see. My stop loss is really close, so I'm not risking a lot. But if I break my level, I want to be out. So.
my stop loss is above the high of the day, but because it's a free trade
693
because I already took the profit.
Is on deck for SPY for 693.
Got me out.
Yeah, me too. That's good.
Okay,
I
so
don't wanna
next
be in it.
one would be 693.30.
So I got my profit for the day. I just wanted to try that one.
Okay, candles being filled.
So that last trade I took there was kind of free. So
At what price?
not like because I took partial, so I took 1 hour partial. The last one, the one that we got together.
Mhm.
So I took a partial and I refilled it, and it was just risking 1 hour.
So there it's like my last level before the all-time high. And my reverse from there too.
So right now I reshorted at 694, 994 with 75 cents. And yeah, it's
That's
printing good.
a good price. Yeah, but you're delayed.
Yeah, but the execution was in the real because I was executed at the all-time high there.
Okay. Yeah, you got the best price.
Okay, 693.90.
So I'm gonna take 5 contracts off, and then I'm gonna hold the rest for whatever he wants to do. That just 5 contracts, $500. It's like oof.
Like I wouldn't go back short if I didn't want to keep profit and just be quiet. I'm not going to do it. Maybe it's going to all-time high.
$693.90.
Also, my combine is finishing on the 14.
Your what?
The challenge is finishing on the 14, not the 12. I have 2 more days. And then they charge me 49 to keep my keep what I have. I'm 1/3 of the challenge done, so pretty good.
Good job.
And I think December was a hard month to trade, like super hard.
Yeah, it's not an easy month.
A lot of vacation, not much liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
But like I saw it in my first week. Like it was 2 bad weeks, and then 2 last week were pretty good.
You are making it, my guy. You are making it.
Yeah, reversing from my level on the top. What's your stop loss, David?
I came out completely. Like I don't know why, but like I will stop trading that until I pay for the data because when I took many trades and and they were green, like I was in the P&L, like it was making money. But in the historical thing, just give me a second. Yeah, it reflects a negative P&L. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's all it's all fucked up when you don't have real data.
So I just took 2 partials.
Nice. For Marie.
So like, if I held the trade all the way up, would have been a 9-hour trade, but I got 5-hour. So it's kind of. You think it's too? I take partial too soon, maybe? Or it's more safe, so.
Yeah, I think it's better because it's safer. You're keeping your profit.
So you would sacrifice 4 hours to have an insurance?
If I don't have a cushion, yes.
I didn't have a cushion.
So, but if
I was
I
down
have,
actually.
if I have money that I don't care about, I will hold.
Yeah, I was down 1.5 hours. I needed those to
One for
go back green. I guess it was good.
Yeah. Nobody can talk better than your P&L, my guy. How many hours are you up today?
2.5.
That's pretty good.
I was down 1.5, got up to 3, and I lost a little bit on the short that I was trying to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm done for the day for sure, and just
So when we're looking at the map, it's definitely a mixed one.
Yeah, and like when we were looking at it earlier, it was way more green.
Mm-hmm.
But it seems to be having like mixed sectors. Like every
Exactly.
sector have something red. So technology have a lot of red. Like a semiconductor have is the one that is suffering the most.
Finance as well. But one that's not that bad actually is communication services.
Okay.
So your Google.
Yeah, Google. Yeah, it's pretty good, Google. Happy for that one. Yeah, yesterday I checked at what price is my order to go out. I have an order to go out. And it's like 340 something, 341, 343. It's quite high, but yet it's not there.
Okay. Oh, that's bad.
But for which one? It's probably resting a little bit there. I don't know.
So it seems like Trump leaked yesterday the numbers last night on Truth Social.
He cannot do that.
Apparently not. He cannot do that, but apparently he did. It was a scanned picture on Truth Social of the numbers that are going to be coming out today. Not sure what they're going to do with that.
Yeah, man.
Like, is it only me, or is that like really, really bad?
Yeah, like
Isn't that really, really, really bad? So what happened with Rigetti? It seems like we've got some. Okay, so if you get me out, I'm okay with that.
we get it turning back to INTC. INTC was looking very good, and now it's just going back down. INTC.
Oh, that's INTC.
Rigetti, I look at it and it was also very bullish, but it's turning back down too. Doesn't mean much yet because like you know, sometimes you have this weird feeling and like when you have a job that is elaborated and somebody come and say something and then it's like well, but I base all my job on that thing. So it's like I have that feeling with what you were saying there. Like, well, I'm looking at that this way and that way, but if the number were leaked, that means this what I'm evaluating is different. So it's no, it's like yeah, it's just weird thing, but yeah.
So
It's discouraging, I will say, probably.
yeah, a little bit,
like,
right? So
You're trying to fix something, and it's like, no, wait for all
wait
the
for, yeah.
the data that we pass through you and things like that is
But you've got, right?
huh?
You've got.
Oh yeah, I do have it. I will check it. It's just like every time that I open it, it's like and like I have it on my other phone. Like I have it on this one, but it's not set up. I have to log in.
What did they leak on social?
The numbers that we read this morning for the number that were coming out.
Notes.
Like this is the only administration that since the time I have been trading, you hear saying like they will revise the number before coming out. They will like why?
So the fear and greed index is a neutral now. That's what the Top Step News say. Yeah, I see the thing. Trump posted unpublished job data early on social media on Thursday.
Okay, so you found it? Okay, I was
Yeah.
in there. Incroyable. So
No. We need to have an alert on the channel where when Trump is posting something, it alerts. It gets you out of every trade. Yeah, that's crazy. On Thursday, so
I came back. So
at what time did he post that?
yeah, like I will try to look for that. See.
yeah, last night.
It was last night because Zach Reed say like early Thursday.
It said on. No, he published the job data early.
Yeah.
Early means before the time, but it said on Thursday, so maybe Thursday night.
Right, so I'm gonna try to take a look at what happened there.
It's important to keep your heat when we're sick.
I'm gonna have to create an account on that thing.
I have one. It asks you for a lot of things like your phone number and all that thing. Man, especially like here I say he leaked the non-farm payroll. That's the most important number out
Yep.
of all of them.
Tell me that's not crazy.
What the heck?
Like, come on, man.
Yeah, and it was way lower than expected at 8:30. So. Okay, but the candle of 8:30 was super green.
Yeah. He did it at midnight. Ah no, it's not midnight because it's 12. At 12 he did it.
Thursday at 12.
Yeah. That will be noon.
Thursday at 12.
Incredible.
Was it Reagan that was forced to impeach because of inside trading?
I don't think it was Reagan. I thought that it was
I see all that. I always mistake.
Nixon.
Nixon, yeah, it was Nixon.
Yeah, Watergate.
Yeah.
You know that. You know the site Polymarket.
Yeah.
So you can. I don't know if you know, Marie. Too.
The what?
You know Polymarket
Yeah, this place.
is you can bet on anything in the world.
No, I didn't know
Like
that.
presidential election.
Yeah, look like that. Will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027? Yes or no? And there are 16% chance.
Incroyable.
And like
You can bet on anything, and the chances that it happens is the reward that you get if you bet against it. So, but if you on that you can do insider trading because it's a gray area still. Like you don't have to report your thing. So the day before Maduro got taken,
yeah.
someone placed a multi-million-dollar bet that Maduro was gonna get taken,
Tell me that's not inside trader, eh?
and some people
Somebody
think
that
it's
was in the war room.
some people think it's his son, Barron, because
Incroyable.
he did that a lot with crypto,
But
insider trading.
my guy, like, just look at what you see in there. Like, the most titles here is like, look, will U.S. strike Iran by January 11 or January 31? Like, Israel strike Iran by January 31st. Will Trump acquire Greenland before 2027? Came out as supreme leader of Iran. It's all geopolitical related things.
Yeah, fueled by who, eh?
Of course, like I know for sure there is a lot of sports and a lot of there is anything there, but like what I mean is like the people like what are like those are the one I read were the top 10, let's say, and you have Venezuela
Right.
leader ends of 2026, and you have they have two people betting on it, and that is not gonna be Maduro. 2 million the volume for that one.
Incroyable.
So imagine not having to report those.
Wow.
Like it's a cheat code. If your dad is the president, it's a cheat code.
Yeah.
He's saying to you, okay, I'm gonna go get Maduro tonight.
Let's do a bet. Oh my god.
can bait.
I shooter charge by March 31. 25% say no.
Incroyable. eh?
75% say yes. Ay, ay, ay.
So yeah, based on the percentage, it's what you get as a reward. So if you bet something that is 20% of happening, 25%,
You get 20% of whatever you bet on it.
now you get 75%.
Okay, you get
Like,
what
if
is
you're
against
right-
you.
If you're right, it gets to $1. So if you pay 25, you get 75 cents more. But it's always between 0 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
The one that lose gets 0.
Mm-hmm.
The one that win gets 1.
Okay. I'm breaking even. I'll be back.
Okay.
So if something is 99.9% at 99.9% chance, I only give you 1 cent every dollar. Then
Okay, and let's
Every-
see
every buy.
how much it costs is 45 cents. So basically I buy shares of this, right?
yeah, like you buy for 45 cents. You buy. If you're right, it gets to $1. So you do 55 cents. And if you're wrong, you lose 45 cents.
Yeah, I see like I'm putting here like let's say if I put $20 in a very dumb things here, I will make like $44 if I'm right.
But also the chance of it happening is reflecting on the price. So
So it will be moving exponentially.
yeah, it's moving the more that you get. Like, I remember Polymarket was like moving for the election of Trump and
Mm-hmm.
Kamala Harris. So like when a poll is coming out, the chance was changing, and you can sell before the news. You could buy when Trump had only 20% of getting elected,
Mm-hmm.
so you pay 20 cents. Then when a poll came out and say, oh, Trump has like 50% chance, so you made 30 cents, you can sell there.
This is ridiculous.
Yeah. You know, it's like a young guy that invented that.
It has to be a Zach, you know.
No, but it's pretty smart invention.
Elon Musk hashtag tweet January, this one I don't get because it's like will Elon Musk tweet today, yes or not? All right.
I've seen a guy. You know what he was betting on? That's freaking thing. You bet that in the New Year camera in New York,
Mm-hmm.
when it's New Year and the TV, they make like they film people like kissing each other and everything. The New Year,
Mm-hmm.
and the guy bet 30K, I think. That in that camera, you're gonna see two gays kissing each other.
Ay.
And he was right, and he made like 300,000. I see the video, like the guy's like, ah. I can try to find it and send it to you.
For example, there is one here that is very dumb and very easy. Will there be announced U.S. government shutdown by January 31st? Like that, you have like roughly a 90% chance of winning. Like let's say if I spend like a $500, yeah, like okay, so the easiest one you have very little to make. Like you make very little. Let's say if I put $1,000 in there. What will be the max? There are some guys that like if you are aware of what is going on around the world, it's like so easy. Like for example, will Venezuela give the U.S. oil by January 30? They already gave it to them, and so it's like if you say yes, you have a higher chance. If you say no, you have like let's say if I say no, let's say I put $100. If I say no, I can make 312. If I say yes, exactly. So if you are betting toward the lowest probability, like for example, the lowest probability that it will be wrong here is yes. So you make way less money, but like, okay, this is interesting. Can we paper trade on that?
Mm-hmm. Don't know. I sent you the video of the guy.
Yeah. I will take a look at it. Will the U.S. invade Mexico in 2026? The answer to that is a clear no. So
Mexico.
So if I say
What are the chances that it's yes?
it's very low. It's actually the chance of a no is 93%. That's why I say, like for example, if they do it, you make 10 times about the but it's just
Yeah.
like $500. If it's a yes, becoming 5,500, and if we say no, it's just 536. But like basically,
So you bet all your money on something that, if it happens, it's like really bad. Like, will there be a World War III in the next like 5 years? So you bet all your money on that. So if there's not, you win, and if there is, you don't care. You're at war. So.
But once you bet, you have to. Like when? Once you bet, you have to wait for the day to get there. Like you cannot take it before.
No,
No, it's a question.
you can. You can.
I can do that.
Yeah. Because the chance will have increase or decrease before the date.
Mm-hmm.
You can take it before or not.
That's very interesting.
So you could do like options
Mm-hmm.
where you buy the contract just to like, and the hype is pulling it up, and you don't hold it for the news. You know,
Got it. Yeah, I got you.
like the option interest thing.
Mm-hmm. And why is the reason that that is not taxable?
I don't know if it's taxable, but it's not traceable. Like people from
Oh, it's
Congress.
like okay. So it's like if we were like coins in the past. Man, look at Rigetti. Rigetti is just jumping like a hard rock. Yeah.
So they don't have to report it.
Okay.
So that's perfect for insider trading. Like what they have.
Yeah. It's yeah. Like for example. Yeah, it's just weird, but yeah, it's cool. It's cool too at the same time.
Like people from Congress should not be insider trading in stocks. They should be in that. Why would you do it in stocks? Like, will Minnesota have this contract? And you're the guy doing the contract.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
Like, okay. So you cannot.
oh,
Yeah, cut.
there is one about the Supreme Court. Like Supreme Court rules in favor of Trump's draft. Yes or no? So yes, it's like the lowest probability. You have 26% yes.
Yeah.
75% no.
Yeah. Me too. I thought it has more chance of no. Why is having trouble at VWAP? But having trouble to go up to. I need to go at 12 to the gym, but pretty good week. A
Nice.
5-hour week.
Very nice.
And I started with 5 hour down, so pretty good.
Yeah, you're right there to get your one more week like that, and a little bit more, and that's it.
Mhm. Like yeah, in 3 days I have 10 hours.
Nice. I just want to remind you that those 3 hours, like 10 hours, you got them by taking partial. So,
Yeah.
you know, there you have there you have your answer. Like, for my guy, do I take partial or not? Always take partial. Always.
Mhm. Yeah, I guess by doing that, your equity curve,
Equity curve.
equity curve. Sorry. Your equity curve is more step by step instead of just up down up down.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that's what it's better.
Darn.
Alright, Wayne. Yeah, SPY went up, but like he established another high, all-time high, and like now it's just coming back down. But like Rigetti, and I see the whole sector map being very mixed. So
It didn't do an all-time high either.
no.
No,
So yesterday it went higher than 693.45.
not yesterday. Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay. Let's see. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, my bad. Thank you for the correction, Zach. Yeah, I see it went way higher. Okay. So, hi there. What's up?
One in the chat.
No. What's Ella?
So my most trade duration
Mm-hmm.
is 10 to 30 minutes, and then it's 5 to 10, and then it's 2 to 5. So basically, my trading is between 2 minutes to 30 minutes
Okay.
most of it.
Which is kind of long trades, you know, like those are not scalp trade necessarily.
Um, I don't consider myself scalper. After I saw what is really scalping, what really
Yeah, like it's instant. It's like one candle on.
it's like a couple ticks, and then you take profit.
Mm-hmm. So, my guy, if I want to reset the game that we were playing yesterday and I want to be archery, what do I pick?
What?
Like the game that we were playing yesterday, like if I want to reset to be, instead of being a mage, to be an archery.
Yeah, you didn't choose your anything right now. Like you just took champions.
Okay.
Like you're not a mage right now or anything. Like,
Okay.
never in the game you're gonna become one thing. It's just
Okay.
that.
It's depending on what character I use.
Yeah. So you're gonna get new champions if you play
Mm-hmm.
a bit. So they're gonna offer you new champions too. I don't know. I think, or at one point you're gonna be able to buy them
Mm-hmm.
with the blue essence. But like, if you don't have an archer, you just play a bit, and they're gonna offer you, or you can buy it. So,
Okay, nice.
but like, Caitlyn is almost an archer. Like, she has a gun.
Okay. Caitlyn.
I think there's one archer in the game.
We'll take a look at that.
Why do you want an archer?
I'm always an archery on the games. Like whatever game I play, it's, I always choose archery.
I
So,
did not know that.
oh yeah. So,
So
guys,
TQQ got me out.
exactly that. I was going to ask you about Spy, which is kind of similar than TQQ today. So,
We're
do you
going
guys-
short or long?
I was at TQQ short at 55. Now it's just popping.
And Spice choppy today. It's crazy.
Yeah. Like if I have to read the tape, let's say for Nvidia, let's look at the chart while I am reading the tape like that. You can see more clear. So we are definitely trading below those moving average. So what gives me a little hope that it can go any higher. But it is trying to go higher. So when I look at the tape, I have sizes toward both directions. In the case of INET, we have them like everywhere. But in the case of ARCA, we only have them toward the downside, realistically talking. Because there are some toward the upside, but they are so far that I don't think it's gonna get there in a sprint if nobody's buying this right now. So yeah, sorry. It looks looking kind of short. So when I look at the tape, basically printing 97, 84, 97, 84, 96. I want to see a heavy bid or a heavy ask, and then I want to see how it react to that. Sorry. So a lot of white print there, which mean middle print, so we don't know exactly where they go from there. All right, finally went above 185, printing above 185, is able to hold above 185, and yeah, let's see. Yeah, heavy bid went through right there and did it hold. It hold okay. Yeah,
Maybe you're gonna try the all-time high today, like
Can you survive 185.50, Davey?
yes.
Good. Oof.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
What about 186?
No, I cannot survive 186, but I can reload it. If I
Oh,
get it.
okay.
Like I see that the RSI is trying to climb back up, but it's also
much-
550 for a good time. Yeah.
how much of your original position do you have?
No, I have everything now. I have a full position right now because I remove, and I don't know if you remember that he stepped me out,
Okay.
and then I got it back
Yeah.
right
Get
here.
it back for a good price.
Like here, he got me out right there, and then I bought it. I shorted back right here.
And where was your stop loss on that short?
That was it was at 180, 186, 186.19 originally.
So you add like a
Yeah, right now it's making like 1 hour, and that was a 1 hour, 1 hour. That was a 1-to-1 pretty much. Like for the question we had yesterday, that was a one,
but
like a 1.1,
from the
1.2 maximum.
at the lowest point you had like 3-4 hours.
Yes, I took a couple hours when it went down, but then like because I had too aggressively here, I went red for more than 1 hour.
Okay. So don't you think you should have taken partial?
Yes, I definitely should do that. But I only did it for Mr. Obvious. I only did
I love
it.
it.
Yeah, it was
Hey,
obvious.
hey, hey, I
I
love it.
only did it at the beginning here. If you see, I partial here, which was good. But then I didn't partial again, so and that's my mistake. But like I am debating here between being like flat for the day or do I wanna be hard headed and hold for more profit? But like let's see because like I can be flat very easy. So I'm red a bit. I can be flat very easy. But I think it can tank, especially if a spy decide to do something. But right now I'm breaking even. If you go to my entry, I'm out. So, and that's why Mary was asking if I was able to survive 185.50. But if he get me out, then I will reshort it at 186. But I don't think it's gonna go to 186. So that's why I'm being kind of patient here. There are too many levels on top of that price action there. Like you have the PCL, the open, the 50 moving average, the 200 moving average in the 1 minute, and the 200 moving average in the 5 minute. If we break through that, for sure it will get me out because it will have a lot of orders going through to do that. But that's what I think it won't be able to do because the market is pumping, but not with a lot of momentum.
Like even in that type of market, I think you should take even more partial. So choppy, my guy.
Yeah, you are totally right, my guy.
Even if you think it's gonna go like down, 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 you can always like just go back and tap you out before.
I think you are right.
So, were you like, are you testing something, David?
No,
No.
no. No, like the futures that I was testing, I decided to not do it because this thing I don't know, like that in the trading view is just like not working the way I have it right now. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm not testing anything right now.
Yeah, you need to buy the data for that.
We But before I buy data for that, I will buy the top step thing that you have,
Mhm.
and then I will see what I need from there.
Um,
That
Because
makes
I think
sense.
that the guys say that they provide a basic plan of top
yeah,
step.
I have the data live. Yeah.
You got it from top step, right?
Yeah, Top Step is not connected to my trading view,
Mm-hmm.
and I had the data right away. So with the fee that you pay,
Yeah.
you have the data included,
Okay. So
the CME data.
nice.
So yeah, that probably would be better to have live data. Yeah, like technically I don't need the live data for futures on my trading view because I have live data for SPY.
Mhm.
I am looking at SPY with my levels on it. And the only place I look at futures is Top Step. So I could cancel my thing. You know what I mean? I have like the two software.
Yeah, you are like at some point you are like double paying for the same thing.
Yeah, but like all my entry are based on the trading view SPY chart.
Gotcha.
Yeah, after I just enter on the future because it's the same price movement.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, like yesterday I wanted to say that I forgot. Like QQQ is not Nasdaq, right?
No.
Okay. So Marie, you remember you were saying that you wanted to trade QQQ for
Mhm.
Top Step,
Mm-hmm.
but you don't have a future of QQQ.
Uh,
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
Like if you type QQQ in the future thing, there's only a Russian thing.
Okay.
So if you want to try something like that, you can try Nasdaq. It's expensive, I guess.
Like the guys train Nasdaq, Angel and
Yeah, they do NQ. Yeah, it's like future. You have S&P 500, Nasdaq, you have gold, you have Dow Jones, silver, oil, Bitcoin, Russell 2000.
Hmm.
Copper. You have the VIX future. That's crazy.
Oh.
You have, you also have Forex in future. It's kind of Canadian dollar future. Okay. Soybeans, cacao,
coffee.
yeah, coffee. I've seen that those are really seasonal,
Yes.
and it's really predictable between seasons.
Even now? With the
Maybe.
incredible tariffs?
I don't know. But
Mm.
But yeah, I like more SPY, but I'm thinking about going NQ if SPY gets to all-time high, not NQ. Let's see. Like if SPY go to all-time high today, NQ is kind of far from all-time high still. So maybe for me it will be better because I have data still.
What about Dow? Is that interesting enough or not?
Yeah, both would be the same. So yeah, just wanted to let you know that QQQ is not a future.
Oh, thank you, Zach.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, just an ETF.
Yeah. It seems that my level on top from 93.06 to 93.40.
The one that you got married to?
No,
No.
that's another. The one I got married to is way lower.
690.
But I have one from 93.05 to 93.40.
Mm-hmm.
That's where it bounced from at 10:30,
Okay.
and now maybe it will bounce from there again. But yeah, I gotta go, guys. I got to go to the gym. So
Right, the right.
pretty good day, pretty good week, pretty good month, I guess.
That's what we want to hear.
Yeah. And I'm going back to Quebec, but I'll be trading every day at the beginning, actually. So.
Yeah, until you get tightened.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Yeah, like my goal is to pass the combine in like 3 months max. So I have 1 month almost done. I have 2 days left, and then for sure, if I can get it in the next month, it would be pretty good.
Which the way you are going, if you keep going, you're gonna be able to get it before.
Yeah, like the last 2 weeks, if I keep going like that, I'm gonna get it in the month for sure.
Hey, good
Nice.
job, good job.
But, yeah, it was the start of the account that was pretty pretty hard.
Yeah.
Like I remember going down $600 in the account, which is not that much. It's 6 hours. So.
Pretty good.
Now we're back. So take care, guys. See you on Monday.
You
Have
too,
a
my
wonderful
guy.
weekend.
Thank you. Have fun.
Yes, I'm gonna have fun driving 5 hours this weekend. So.
Hope you've got good weather, Zach.
Yeah, it's snowing too.
Yeah. Safe travels.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And going to Costco after and everything. I'm thankful.
Yeah, it's, I remember the process that you told me.
Okay, bye bye.
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 Yeah, I forgot that he was coming back to Quebec this weekend.
Tough, eh?
Yeah. Whoa.
Still have it?
Oh yeah, that will stay there for the whole day, pretty much.
So Nvidia is flat now?
Yeah, it's looking like I don't know. It's very chopped up right now, and I don't have much hope that it will go too low. But it's also not looking like if it wants to go too high because that tape is dead. You know, like that tape, like
It's not moving.
the order flow is so
Yeah, it's below.
balanced,
Like
even.
it's 81% in Arval, so.
I think you remember I was saying like that below the 86 is what it was going to establish a level
Mm-hmm.
and stay quiet for a little bit. But yeah,
It stayed quiet.
that's what I'm doing now. But like when we are talking about the same subject, it's just like I would like to look, let's say, Microsoft, MSFT. Yeah, way below the level. The level. I also look at Tesla, and Tesla is pumping up. Okay, Tesla is coming back up, and then Apple.
So yeah, Apple's.
Apple is way below, way below.
So Apple's down, Google's up, Meta's up, Tesla's up, AVGO, AMD, MU, Oracle, PLTR, just slightly,
hmm
but yeah, Nvidia slightly.
I will revise my my order to go out on Google
Okay.
because I think it's gonna be better just to come out a little bit earlier and then to get back on Apple because Apple to me is very attractive right now and
Okay. I would price action.
I think anywhere around 250 it will make sense to me. But if I look at the level, like I have the level here, so it is trading below the level. That's for sure. So I will be there. Just give me a minute. Yeah, just right there. If I wanna be picky with the level, I can try to get 256. So 256 from my guesstimation too, that's the best price I could probably get for a swing. That would be a swing trade.
Yeah, and the tape is never as clear on Apple.
On Apple, yeah. Well, unless there is high relative volume that day, which could happen
Mm-hmm.
here and there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now the Supreme Court,
Mm-hmm.
the decision on tariffs,
Okay, it's
they're
back.
they're expecting to be delivering it next Wednesday, but
Okay.
not before next Wednesday. Let's see.
Okay.
They were supposed to be today, and they didn't do it. So so the tape is still dead for Nvidia.
Mm-hmm. I think I'm just gonna hold it for the rest of the day probably.
Okay.
I just noticed the POC for Nvidia. We print the POC. We pierced it by 2 cents this morning.
Okay.
So POC is 183.69, and it went as a downside went 183.67. It didn't pierce it by a lot. That's pretty good there, like for the long. But like if I am right, then we go back to the POC at the end of the day, and these things keep going down, then the trade become a little bit more juicy. But for now, we're gonna have to be able to survive. That's the big deal here. Like, are we able to survive that thing? Which right now in Nvidia, I see it from very long ago. I'm already breaking even. Like, I
Oh, good
think
job.
I can even see that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm breaking even on this trade since 950. So, which could be a mistake for sure, but you have TKQ and you're going short.
Mm-hmm. But when we're looking at the tape, it's such a.
Yeah, all the tapes are looking that weird.
Mm-hmm. For this time of the day, very weird. It's almost like everybody slept in here. Everybody slept in and now is started to.
Wake up.
Yeah. It's really weird. Hmm.
Yeah, I know. It's, I have
Hey, I've been singing it in my head, so I'm as guilty as charged. And it's better in my head because I've got a better voice. If I start to sing, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
C'est la vie, mon ami.
Whoosh. How do you feel the brakes?
Yeah. Like I see also Nvidia trying to make a higher high right now.
RSIs are dipping. They're curling back down. I've got a good price on the Qs. I took it at the high of the day, the one that was before. So my price is 55.43. So we'll see how that goes. But oof, what a consolidation here.
I actually think it's a mistake for me to be breaking even, but
You think so?
but I
I
gonna
think you think it's gonna get you out?
yeah, because I think it's gonna get me out, and then there's
Then
no,
it's gonna move.
there is no warranty that I can get a better price because I have the best price of the day. Yeah, and SPY doesn't seem to have a lot of momentum, so what do I want to do?
Could be right there. We'll see.
Okay.
$30 seconds. Brrr.
You are cold?
Yes,
Oy, oy, oy.
but there's 2 minutes left.
Put it on 77 today.
Whoosh!
It's just where we are, it doesn't get here. It's like, so when we go upstairs, it's gonna be quite hot. So let's see in that bigger time frame how this Nvidia is looking like. Yeah, it shouldn't get me. Let's see how it does. Very weird price action, but I'm just remembering that trade that I took on AMD very long ago.
Mm-hmm.
And like you take the like it was a trade that I took, and I say, you know, like I want to get out prematurely, like because I don't want to let the profit, like to get to my break even. And I had a similar price than in this one. And then I look at the end of the day, it went on my favor by a lot, and then it never got to my out. So I think we meet those conditions for this trade right now. That if he get me out, I should be able to get a better price somewhere else. So I'm gonna hold it there. Let's see what it does. If you get me out, hey, I'm risking nothing in there. So
Oh, there you go. You're breaking even, right?
yeah, we are playing with the money of the house on that one. Very weird stuff because the levels that are holding, they are very narrow. Like as Zach was saying yesterday, like it's not a level that have like $1 in between.
Mm-hmm.
It's basically like 15 cents. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so
Let's go.
I see that you also have the short in TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna start wrapping it up. I'm gonna explain my trade basically, and then we go. So today I only trade Nvidia here. So I didn't hold any overnight trade, though I took a pre-market trade. So I short Nvidia right here in the pre-market. A small amount of shares because I say I wanna add whenever I move higher. It never moved higher, so I went down like with 30% of the amount of shares I wanna get. So I got out partial here, then I add aggressively again, then I add again, and then I took a loss. When I took the loss, I was able to see that there was a level right on top of my exit. So I just got it back at the 200 moving average, which is this green line here. Now it's gonna get me out one more time. There we go. It got me out. Yeah, let's see where it wants to go. That's good. It's okay that it got me out. So I will wait for it to break higher if ever it wants to. So yeah, and that's it basically. So I'm red because I took a little loss here, but like I'm not concerned about it. It's for the week we are pretty green. So and I may take the trade back at some point today. So yeah, but yeah, basically short, partial, like short, partial, add, took a loss, short. It did all this and I didn't took any partial, so that's my mistake. then it shake me out here right now. But like I'm staying on the trade. I'm not taking the trade again because I think it's gonna print probably a little bit higher. But you hear me saying breaking even might be a mistake. Look at how it got me out
Right there.
right there. So, but we're gonna stay put. Let's see what it wants to do. So yeah, and if not, I would trade probably something else. Like I like INTC today. Yeah, I definitely like INTC, but I'm gonna have to fish that price. So that's it for me. What about you, Marie?
So I trade 3. So I'll start with Oklo, which is a 10-hour trade. Really, really happy with that one. So I'm good. No, I'm breaking even with that one. Okay, so Oklo, I decided to go long at exactly 112. And I took my partial at 116. Took a double partial at then I took another partial at 115, and I broke even. Got me out. Beautiful. Then I went long again at 112. It pulled back to 110, and I added 3 times during that time. So I added. So I went in at 112. I added at 113 when it popped up at 113. I added at 111.50 to the long. I even added at 110 when it pulled back, and then that was just beautiful. So I took a partial at 113 and came out of my position at 114 completely.
Pretty good.
So that's a 10-hour trade. So my big is open. So for some reason, for me, open, I was going short. So I went short on open at 724. I added on the pop of 730. I added again on the pop at 745, and then I finally got out. When that consolidation wasn't able to pull the price below my entry of 724, I said, no, that's it, bye-bye la. Glad, because look at the pop after. But
Yeah,
that
I know.
was a 1, 2, 3 hour loss. And then the other trade, the only other one is TQQ. So TQQ, I initially went short at 55, and that didn't, and broke even, got out, and then I went short at 55.43, and that's where I am there. So 55.43, I added again at 55.43, and that's where I am now, short. So I've got 2 hours now. We'll see how it goes. Right now, when I'm looking at the trade and I'm looking at where it could be going, it is possible of going down to the 200 EMA, which is 54.90. But when it gets there, it's a hop, skip, and a jump to the VWAP. So we'll keep it right now. I'm breaking even, and yeah, it's a good day today.
Nice. So that's it for today. I hope you have a good week. I hope everybody's green. And yeah, enjoy your weekend. And we definitely gonna be back Monday. So yeah, anything else? Good. So have a good one, everybody. See you then.